Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use service schedules to send customers reminders such as upcoming services and overdue services. Once logged into Mechanic Desk, navigate to the Service Schedules tab. In previous tutorials, we have shown you how to visit a job and enter the next service date. In this tutorial, we will show how this date can then be used to determine the vehicle's service schedule. Overdue services lists all vehicles that have exceeded their next service date, sorted in descending order. Upcoming services lists all vehicles with approaching service dates. Note the reminder status column displaying the current situation for each vehicle. Here we can see where a reminder has not yet been sent or when a reminder was sent. In the Statuses section, we can also open each bulk reminder here and see the total amount sent as well as for which vehicles. Note also the provision to readily filter out services that are way overdue by entering values in the relevant fields and clicking on the search button. To send service reminders, select each vehicle by ticking the available box or the all box and click on the Send Reminder button at the top of the page. A dialog window will open offering various sending options between email and/or SMS. Choose one that suits you. Each reminder consists of a subject and a message, and anything inside the brackets will be replaced by relevant vehicle and customer values. Note you can edit the text that shows here via the Communication Templates tab under Jobs. Click on the Send Reminder button at the bottom of the dialog window to return to the Upcoming Services sheet, where sending progress of the reminders may be monitored. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.